This is how I have combed my hair for the last 11 years. Simple finger combing. I do it every morning and often at night before I wrap my hair, and that's all I've ever needed. But lately, I have been seeing lock combs and lock brushes popping up on my feed, and more importantly, I've been seeing the lock girlies brushing and combing their hair. At first, I was a bit surprised and I thought, we don't need that. That's just another thing they're trying to sell to us. But the more I see the girls brushing and combing their hair, I am getting so curious. So I went ahead and bought myself 2 orders. This one is just a brush. This one is a brush and a comb. And I'm gonna answer the question today of, are these lock brushes and combs worth it? So let's get into it. Hey, if you're new around here, I'm Latoya and welcome to the channel. This channel is all about locks, travel, and lifestyle design. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I bought these both on Amazon yesterday, and I will link to them below in case you like them. So I want to start off with this comb and brush set. This is also a brush, and I couldn't tell from the pictures if they were alike. They do look quite similar, but the teeth, is it teeth for brushes? Bristles? The teeth do look slightly different, so we'll see if that makes a difference when I actually start brushing my hair. But let's start with this guy first, this set. So it says 2-piece lock combs for dreads, wood, scalp massager, YT. And because of who I am, I do need to wipe these down. I have a little, just like I put something straight into my hair from the Chinese factory or any factory. How cute is this comb? Okay, but I'm gonna try the brush first just because that is what I've been waiting for. So on first look, it's actually a pretty solid brush. Not flimsy at all. So I'm glad it's like solid wood. Okay, maybe not solid, but it feels solid. All right, let's brush my hair. Oh my God, I'm scared. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Interesting. So first thing first, as you can see, it goes through my hair without snagging, which is the one thing I was really worried about, that it would snag my hair or get caught. And with my tiny locks, if anything gets caught, there's the risk of it actually pulling my lock out. But I'm not feeling any snagging. That's great. I kind of like that. I see the appeal of this. Okay, I think I like this. So now here's the comb. Definitely looks funky. I like how it looks. Let's see. Okay. So the bristles are quite, or the teeth of the comb are quite wide. So I feel like the comb isn't doing too much, kind of. It's just kind of going through my hair. The brush, I actually felt like it was separating my hair a bit, like as it went through. The comb, you can just get a close up. I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's doing much. So maybe I should grade these. Out of 10, I would give this brush, I actually like this. Like when I go swimming or something and I come out and my hair just starts to like mat up, I feel like I could just use this brush right away and kind of straighten it out. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna give this brush an 8. This comb, I don't really think it's doing much. Nah, it's not doing much. Like, I would give this a 5 out of 10. Okay, so this is the second brush. I'm gonna show you, we'll do a comparison with the first brush in a minute, but let's try it out first. It feels different. This brush is lighter. That's the first thing I notice about it. It doesn't feel as solid as the other brush. Okay, so this second brush, not bad, but not as good as the first brush. I really like that first brush apparently. So you can see it has the balls on it on the end, and that's what makes it different from like a normal brush in terms of like not snagging on our hair. So this second brush, I'd give this a 7 out of 10 because it still did do some separating, but something didn't feel as maybe effective as the first brush. It kind of glides over my hair a bit, kind of like the comb, but let's see. So this is the second one and this is the first one. There's something about the way that the teeth are arranged that just seem to work better in my hair. And I'm sure this is gonna all depend on like hair, the size of your locks, the kinds of locks you have, which one you'll prefer. And I think I will be putting this in my routine. This works. So obviously this is my first little brush. It's from Amazon. If you guys know of any brushes that are maybe off Amazon, Black owned, and just better in some ways, please make the recommendations so I can check them out. I just got these ones just to kind of try it out, to dip my toe in the water, and I have to say I do like this brush. Clearly I'm still using it. Okay, so I see so many benefits to using this. One, my nails are not done now, so that doesn't really apply now, but kind of does because my nails are longer, naturally long right now. And I find that, you know, my nails can get snagged in my hair sometimes. Not often, but it happens. And then when my nails are actually done, I'm so careful when I'm finger combing my hair because I don't want anything to happen to my polish. Like I don't want it to get chipped, I don't want it to get snagged and then ripped or anything like that in my locks. So I do see this brush as being good to prevent my fingernails from getting disrupted when I have them done or just even breaking. So that is my test of the wood brushes and combs for locks. I definitely will be adding one of these to my daily routine. I didn't actually think that was gonna happen, but for now, I am a brushing girly. I'm a brushing lock girly. If you have new locks that have not matured yet, I would not recommend using the brush or any instruments in your hair. Let your hair just do its thing and knot up. And then when you have mature locks, or like me, elder locks, these are called elder locks, then you are able to do any of the things that you want to do much more safely with your locks. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any recommendations on uses or even brushes that you like that you think I should try. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more lock content and see you in the next one. Peace.